And some local shoppers and businesses say they're preparing for economic uncertainty after the president's announcement today, as experts say you'll likely start paying more for some goods.
Our ABC 17's Nia Hinson joins us live in studio tonight. Nia, this will impact things like milk, beer, and even cause some possible trouble for some car dealerships.
Megan and Lucas, ME Professor Joe Haslag tells me it isn't clear exactly how much more we'll start paying on those things, but you should definitely expect to shell out more money. Immediately after Trump's announcement today, major stocks fell. The S&P fell about 1.7%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell about 1.5%, which Haslag says is just one element of the harm on Americans from these tariffs.
I mean, it's harder and harder for people to buy groceries as is.
Americans could now be faced with economic uncertainty.
It's going to cause discord all over the world. It's going to be a lot of misery.
Nearly a month after postponing the tariffs, President Trump now says he plans to slap on a 25% tariff for Mexico and Canada, effective tomorrow, saying there's, quote, no room left.
Tariffs are easy, they're fast, they're efficient.
One local professor warns most people will likely start to pay more for some goods.
Doesn't mean they're going to necessarily be 25% more expensive, because it depends on the demand for that particular good, as well as the shift due to the tariff in supply.
Haslag says people should expect to pay more for things like milk and wood from Canada. You'll also likely shell out more money on beer from Mexico. The news could also cause trouble for local car dealerships and auto parts. Haslag says businesses should also expect to start to pay more for goods and expect to sell fewer imported goods.
Seeing already how stuff like eggs have already gone up, maybe people will go other places for things like that.
In the long run, experts say the news will likely have a short-lived impact on inflation rates.
Unless tariffs continue to go up and up and up, this is kind of like a one-shot impact.
Haslag tells me the stock market continuing to fall could be one of the things that causes the administration to take another look at these tariffs and possibly get rid of them.
Thank you, Nia. Haslag also says there isn't any incentive for any of these countries to possibly stop selling their goods to the U.S.